Look, it's getting all done, getting all clean. Our baby's getting a wash. Woo! Had a little extra time on my drive, so I decided to get my rig washed. It is pretty thrashed, and well, I needed it. I found a local truck wash. They also do RVs, so I stopped on in. It's really weird having folks washing the car or washing the RV while I'm in it, but this bad boy really needed a good deep cleaning, and so this will be nice. Get that green algae off the outside and get it back to its natural color. And these guys did a really good job. It was weird being inside as they were washing everything. About 2 or 3 guys were working on it, and I didn't have to wait long. They were in and out pretty quickly, and rinsed it off and made everything look all pretty. So this was the before. You could see the green algae on the side, and ta-da! Wow, what a difference a bath makes. All clean, ship shape. Time to get back on the road. Hey everybody, David aka RVJedeye with a quick recipe that you can throw on the grill and have some great ribs. In another video, which I'll put a link to, I made a dry rub with some coffee. You can see the little bit left of it here. And what I did was just put it on the ribs and let it sit for about 7 or 8 hours. And then I'm just gonna put this on the grill, and then a little bit later add some sauce to it. But right now, let's get the grill fired up and ready to go. Now for this grill recipe, what you're gonna do is make sure you set up your grill actually without this one, because you're going to set the ribs right here and create a smoking situation right here. Now I swear by these charcoal chimneys. They're absolutely fantastic. You don't have to use lighter fluid. You just take some paper, put it on the bottom, put the charcoal on top, light it, and it just takes a little bit to get going. Now you don't want to put too many coals in at first because you want to get the heat going, and then this is a long, slow process. We're going to cook these about a couple of hours, and then we can add more charcoal to the fire if needed, but we want to keep it at a constant temperature, low and slow. It just takes a couple of minutes for the charcoal to get really fiery and hot. Then you want to pour it out, and you want to push it to the side, and you're going to put the meat on the top. With the coals nice and hot, you have them pushed to the side of the grill. You want to then take the ribs and put them on the top rack, and then close up everything, and it's time to cook. So now it's just a time thing. You gotta wait for the ribs to go. It's gonna take a couple hours, but then about an hour or so in, we'll go ahead and wrap them and then start using some sauce for the last 15 minutes or so to get that all mixed in with the dry rub and the ribs. Here's a little secret to add a little extra flavor to your barbecue. What I am doing now is using some wood chips that I had soaked in water for about an hour. In this particular instance, I'm using mesquite, but you can use any kind of wood that you want. You want to get them onto the coals, and then you just want to close up your grill and let that smoke permeate the food. Okay, so let's check in on the ribs and see how they're doing. Oh yeah, a lot of smoke on there. The heat is still very good. We're going to add a couple more logs of charcoal on here, and it's time now to pretty much wrap these ribs, and then in a little while we'll put some sauce on them. Go ahead and do the wrap. Here are the ribs, and I'm going to just do it right here. Wrap them nice and tight with some aluminum foil. Hit both sides, and then put it back on the grill. So everything looks good. It's time now to pull off the ribs and put some sauce on them, and then get them back on the heat for a little bit longer. So I've taken the ribs off of the flames, and they look really good. Now we're going to put a little dry rub on, and then some sauce, and put them back on the grill. This is just some sauce that I had that I really like. It's from Sonny's. It's the Smokin. So we'll throw that on, lather it up, put one more on, and we'll be good to go. So we probably just need the ribs with the sauce on for about another 10-15 minutes. I'm working on some asparagus and mushrooms that'll go with this. And then I think I'll have some kind of beverage for dinner. I don't know if it'll be Red's Apple Ale or maybe a glass of wine. And there you have it, the coffee rubbed ribs on the grill. Yeah, they taste fantastic. I'll link up all of the information on the recipe down below. Tonight for dinner, yellowtail cab. I love yellowtail, and this is my favorite cab. So I'm gonna have that. And then the movie for the night, Gladiator. Meat, Gladiator, wine, sounds perfect. Hey, thanks for watching. You can follow me on social media at RVJedeye, and of course, you can follow me on my blog at RVJedeye.com. No need to eat poorly when you're out on the road. Make sure you chef it up, have some fun. This was easy to do. You can do it in your rig as well. Hey, get out there in RV and have some fun.